In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert non-YouTube videos into Google Slides. Now, if you're looking to enhance your presentations with a bit more flair by adding video content that's not on YouTube, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can make your presentations engaging and dynamic. To get started, go to your Google Drive. Look for the New button on the top left corner, click on it, and then choose File Upload. Here you'll be able to upload any video file you have as long as it's an MP4 or a similar compatible format. Simply select the video from your computer and let it upload. Depending on the size of your file and your internet speed, this might take a moment. Once your video is uploaded, you'll want to make sure it's accessible. Right-click on the video file in your Google Drive and select the option that says Get Link. A pop-up will appear, giving you various link sharing options. Make sure to set the sharing permissions to anyone with the link can view. This ensures that your video will be visible to anyone who has access to your slides. Now that your video is all set up in Google Drive, it's time to bring it into your presentation. Open the Google Slides presentation you're working on and navigate to the slide where you'd like to add your video. You can do this by clicking on the specific slide in the slide navigation panel on the left side. With the right slide selected, go up to the menu bar and click on Insert, then choose Video. A dialog box will open, and here you'll need to switch over to the Google Drive tab. This is where you'll find the video you just uploaded. Once you're in the Google Drive tab, browse through your files until you locate the video. Click on it to select it, and then hit the Insert button. Your video will be added to your slide, and you'll see a video player appear where you can adjust its position and size. Simply drag and drop to reposition it, and use the handles on the corners to resize as necessary to fit your slide design. And there you have it. You've successfully added a non-YouTube video to your Google Slides presentation. This method allows you to incorporate a wide variety of video content into your slides, opening up endless possibilities for creative and impactful presentations. Whether it's a training video, a personal recording, or professional footage, you can now spice up your presentations effortlessly with videos outside of YouTube. Enjoy the enriched experience your presentations will now provide.